Hey guys, I thought I'd share this little story with you while I'm coming back from the western suburbs of Brisbane, where I've just recently signed a contract with a lovely couple. They're intending to carry out a fairly substantial major renovation to their home. Now, during the course of negotiations with this couple, and this might be of interest to you that are looking at renovating and engaging the right builder, what they shared with me was that they'd had two previous builders engaged to carry out building work for them. They originally set out to just engage one builder. Unfortunately, the two previous builders went bankrupt. I'm the third builder to be engaged by this couple. What I want to share with you is that where these other builders fell down was around time management and obviously financial mismanagement. They couldn't keep the process of the job going. They were running from job to job. You can be assured that this particular owner has really enforced with me that I need to be over time management and the job needs to be proceeded in a quick fashion. We have a time management system in place, so that won't be an issue. But this is what owners need to be looking for. They need to be looking for builders, professional builders that have good time management processes in place. They need to be looking for builders that can share with them past experiences from past builds. And I'm talking about great reviews and testimonials. They need to talk to past clients, and also they need to speak to the builder about the teams that he has and the relationships he has with his teams. I have a great relationship with my teams, and that's why we get on and do the job in a timely fashion. Anyway, I thought I'd share this information with you. I don't know if it'll be any good to you, but thanks very much.